Hi, I'm Sushil as a Senior Technical Director as well as CCIE Security Trainer at Networkers Home. Over 16 years of experience, I have been training multiple networking professionals across the world. Now, here at a Networkers Home, currently I train on various technologies like Cisco, FTD, ASA, NGIPS, WSA, ESA, Cloud Web Security, ICE, multiple other advanced technologies like DNAC, SDWAN, Identity Service Engine, security over routing and switching, cybersecurity courses like ethical hacking, as well as multiple vendor firewalls like Checkpoint, FortiGate, Palo Alto, and the other advanced courses.
Hi everyone, I'm Amit Tavo and I'm associated with Networkers Home as a Senior Technical Manager. I'm CCSA certified and security and I'm holding a CCSA certification as well. And it's been 9 years I'm associated with Networkers Home and I do deliver the trainings in Cisco security products like ASA, FTD, FMC, NGIPS, WSA, ESA and ICE, and along with that Stealth Watch, Cloud Web Security. So along with Cisco's, I do deliver the trainings for the multi-vendor firewalls like Palo Alto, Checkpoint, and FortiGate, along with the clouds. And like in cloud, I do deliver AWS Associate and AWS Security trainings.
Hi, I'm Ajay Kumar, Senior Technical Director at Networkers Home and a dedicated CCA Security Trainer with over 7 years of experience in networking and cybersecurity. I provide advanced training for CCNP routing, switching, as well as firewall technologies like ASA, FTD, NGIPS, and VPN technologies. Other than these, I provide training for web security, email security, and cloud web security. In cybersecurity, I provide training for Linux, CCT, CEH, CPEN, bug bounty, as well as SIM tools. Other than regular batches, I provide on-demand customized corporate training programs with successful trainings completed for Google and General Motors.
Hi, I'm Nitin Goyal, a Senior Technical Director at the Networkers Home, dedicated for the CCI Enterprise and SDWAN trainer. Over the 10 years of experience in the enterprise networking, network security, SDWAN, and cybersecurity. I provide advanced level training in the CCI Enterprise, CCNP routing and switching, CCNP Advanced, network automation, and Palo Alto and SDN technologies. In the field of cybersecurity, I also provide CCT, CEH certified ethical hacker, pen testing, bug bounty, and capture the flag. I hold the multiple industry recognized certificate in the field of networking, network security, cybersecurity, and cloud, like a CEH certified ethical hacker, certified in information security and ethical hacking, or certified cyber warrior, certified expert cybersecurity. And in the field of cloud, let's say I'm certified with the Microsoft Azure and the AWS. I also have a Linux certificate for the Red Hat Enterprise. I also have a Linux certificate for the RHCSA. And moreover, I also certified from the Microsoft for multiple certificate like programming in the Python for network automation or C programming. Beyond the regular training, I also actively hunting a bug and I already get the bounty from some recognized company like Google, HDFC, and ECC. I also provide customized corporate training program and already successfully completed training in the industry leaders like Google, Zydesk, and ECIT.
Hi, myself Pankaj Sethi, Senior Network Technical Trainer at Networkers Home, having 7 years of experience in IT field. I teach here routing, switching, and advanced technologies. I hold multiple degrees including CCNA and CCNP routing and core certifications and help hundreds of students to achieve their networking goals. At Networkers Home, I teach real-world scenarios, Cisco devices, EVANG, GNS3, and Cisco Packet Tracer to ensure practical training. I provide comprehensive training on VPN, VLAN, BGP, EIGRP, OSPF, network design and troubleshooting to ensure practical understanding. My sessions are interactive, lab-driven, and focus on real-world scenarios. I mentor network students to achieve their networking goals. I also mentor aspiring engineers with career guidance, interview preparation, and certification strategies.
Hello everyone, I am Vishal Kumar, Senior Technical Trainer at Networkers Home for Enterprise Networking. I have 6+ years of experience in networking and cloud. I used to provide advanced training for CCNA, CCNP routing, switching, automation, SD-WAN, and for cloud, I used to provide training for Microsoft Azure. So my training is based on the real scenario so that the student gets hands-on experience how to work in the real scenario. Apart from this regular training, I also provide on-demand customized corporate training. In that recently I have completed training for the Honeywell.
Hi, my name is Arun K. I'm currently working as a trainer in Networkers Home. So I'm having over 9 years of experience in IT and network industry, and my focus areas include Cisco networking technologies, where I deliver the training on CCNA, CCNP routing and switching. Some of the core networking fundamentals to advanced topics just like quality of service, multicasting, and the IP version 6 route, where I'm going to ensure the students will be gaining the both theoretical knowledge and the practical expertise. Alongside with that networking, I also train the professional on AWS cloud technologies, particularly at the associate level. And my AWS sessions cover essential services such as EC2, VPC, IAM, load balancing, and the cloud architecture best practice. And I'm truly passionate about the making complex concept easy to understand and helping the learners build hands-on skills that employers are looking for in today's tech-driven world. So my goal is to empower you with the confidence and capability to apply what you learn in the real world scenarios.
Hi, I'm Sanjay Kumar Sharma, Senior Network and Technical Trainer at Networkers Home and a guest lecturer with 6+ years of experience in enterprise networking and cybersecurity. I deliver advanced training in CCNA, CCNP, routing and switchings, and mentor candidates for cybersecurity certifications such as CEH and CCT. My curriculum also covers ethical hacking methodologies, Linux administrations, and automation scripting. Beyond my regular training programs, I serve as a guest lecturer at premier institutions and design on-demand corporate workshops that meet a specific needs of an organization.
Hi, I am Bhim, technical trainer at Networkers Home with over 4 years of experience in networking. And I specialize in providing training for the CCNA and CCIE security certifications. And my expertise includes working with firewall technologies such as Cisco ASA, FTD, and NGIPS, as well as various VPN technologies. And I also cover ESA, email security appliance, and web security appliance.
Hi, I am Jatin, a security technical trainer here at Networkers Home. With over 5 years of experience in cloud and network training, I specialize in delivering training on CCNA, CCNP, CCIE security, which covers key technologies such as ASA, FTD, NGIPS, VPN, WSA, and ESA. I also train students on cloud platforms such as AWS Associate, AWS Specialty Security, Google Public Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. My goal is to simplify complex concepts and empower learner with the understanding and practical skills which are required to thrive in the real world.
Hello, I'm Tamil Selvan, currently working as a security trainer in Networkers Home. With 4 years of experience in IT and network training, so I train people with CCNA, CCNP routing switching, and CCNP advanced topics such as quality of service, multicast, and IPv6 routing. In terms of security domain, I train people with technologies such as Cisco ASA, FTD, NGIPS, and FortiGate. So I'm passionate about teaching the students the more complex topologies in much simpler way. And also my class is just not about theoretical or practical, so I try to give more of a real-time scenario questions, and also how to handle interview-based questions, how can you expect interview questions. So these kind of questions I'm trying to give it in my lecture to make the people succeed in the real-time environment.
Hi, my name is Clara. I'm a communication trainer here at Networkers Home with strong passion helping students growing professionally. I specialize in enhancing communication skill, developing resumes, preparing students for their interview. In my communication class, we focus on key areas like public speaking, body language, email drafting, group discussion strategies, helping them for interview preparation, confident and spoken English. I also work closely with students, helping them to create resumes outstand and preparing them for interview and developing soft skills that they are just as important as technical knowledge in today's job market. My goal is to ensure every student not only clearing interviews but also entering in corporate world with confidence and clarity in communication.